Dear students, in this lecture video, we discussed about the power reactors in use. This is one of the parameter for the classification of nuclear reactor. Under this power reactor in use, we studied about the boiling water reactors, which is abbreviated by BWR. First, we studied about the boiling water reactor. Some definitions of the boiling water reactor. The boiling water reactor is the type of light water nuclear reactor which is used for the generation of electrical power. This is known as the boiling water reactor. The boiling water reactor core heats the water which is used to convert into steam, and then this steam is used to drive the steam turbine. In the boiling water reactor, we didn't use the heat exchanger. That means no separate heat exchanger is used in the boiling water reactor. The boiling water reactor is the simplest type of water reactor which is used as a power reactor in common use. The boiling water reactor consists of steel pressure vessel which is surrounded by the concrete shield. The fuel, that means the enriched uranium oxide, is used as a fuel in the boiling water reactor. The ordinary water is used as both moderator and coolant. The steam is generated in the boiling water reactor itself. Then the feed water. The feed water enters the nuclear reactor vessel at the bottom and it takes the heat produced due to fission of fuel, and this feed water is converted into steam. This steam leaves the nuclear reactor at the top after passing through the steam turbine, and the condenser returns to the nuclear reactor. Student, first you have to listen the functions, what are the material used for coolant, moderator, all those things. Then I show the boiling water reactor diagram, then you can easily understand. That's why first I explain all the operation and components of the boiling water reactor, then we can see the diagram of boiling water reactor. The uranium fuel elements is arranged in a particular lattice. This is the arrangement of the fuel. The uranium fuel elements is arranged inside the pressure vessel containing water. The boiling water reactor comprises 90 to 100 fuel rods. How many fuel rods we are using? 90 to 100 numbers. And then 750 assemblies in the nuclear reactor core. And then how much uranium we are using? 140 tons of the uranium is used as a fuel. These are the important technical key points. Students, now we studied all the components of the boiling water reactor and which material is used to make the components of the boiling water reactor and the working function of the boiling water reactor. Now you see the diagram. Now if I explain, now you can easily understand. The boiling water reactor, what? So it consists of the reactor core. So this is the reactor core. Then the green color vertical line represents the fuel moderator, and then the red color vertical line, thick line, represents control rods. This is the steam. Here I am mentioning. The outer portion only is called as the concrete sealed. This is the way for steam. This is the way for water. This is the condenser. This is the steam turbine. This is the generator. These are the components of boiling water. Now I explain the function. Okay, yeah? You see, the water from the condenser comes to a reactor, nuclear reactor, through feed pump. The water is converted into steam. Okay, here steam converted. That steam goes to turbine. Okay, this steam energy, this means this steam only is used to drive the turbine. Therefore, the turbine converts steam energy into mechanical energy. The turbine and the generator both are coupled each other. This is the coupling. Okay, mechanically. So, the mechanical energy of the turbine is used to drive the generator. Now the generator generates electrical energy. So what is the function of generator? It converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here what fuel we are using in the boiling water reactor? Enriched uranium. What is the moderator and coolant? Water is used as a moderate and coolant. Okay, so and then this is the control rod. Okay, so everything. So this is the function of the or operation of the boiling water reactor. Now I hope you can clearly understand, because before I explained what are the components used in the boiling water reactor and then functions. Now once again I explained the boiling water reactor with the diagram. Now you can easily understood. Okay, then we studied about the advantages of boiling water reactor. The important technical point I highlighted in the different colors for your notification. This technical point is very, very important, students. Without this, your writing means you never get the marks. Okay, so the first advantages, it has smaller size pressure vessel only is used, and then it has high steam pressure, and then the construction is very simple. The cost of the boiling water reactor is less. It produces high thermal efficiency. The elimination of heat exchanger. The result is reduction in cost and gain in thermal efficiency. Here we didn't use the heat exchanger, which is used to convert water into a steam. Okay, this is the advantages of boiling water reactor. Then disadvantages of boiling water reactor. The important key points I highlighted in the slide. Listen here. The disadvantages means it is impossible to increase the power for the sudden load demand. Then in the view of the direct cycle, there is a danger of radioactive contamination of the steam. Therefore, more safety measures are provided for piping and turbine. Then this type of reactors cannot meet the sudden increase in load because of danger of small amount of the fissile material passing through along with the coolant. Here the water is used as a coolant. So therefore more biological protection is needed, because the biological shielding is the one of the component of the nuclear reactor. So the boiling water reactor also is one of the type of the reactor. So therefore more biological protection is needed, and then you can we are facing the problem that is it is danger of radioactive contamination of steam. So it cannot meet the sudden increase in load. So these are the disadvantages, that is demerits of the boiling water reactor. Dear students, under this topic how the question will come means, with neat sketch or with neat diagram explain the BWR, other boiling water reactor. Then you can draw the diagram. You can explain the control rod, moderator, coolant, fuels, steam turbine, alternator, and then operations, everything, advantages, disadvantages. Minimum mark is 6, maximum mark is 8. Based on the mark you have to write the answer for the question. Thank you students for watching this video.